class. Welcome to week 6 in social welfare policy. As you can see, things have changed a little bit because we wanted to make sure that you were able to obtain enough articles so that your newspaper scrapbook will assist you with additional information regarding social welfare policy. So we're going to spend, or you're going to spend the entire week 6 just finding articles. You need to find a minimum of 14 articles. Now, there will be more that you can add throughout the semester, but you need to provide 2 articles for each of the 7 subsections. You have the entire week to find your articles, write, post, and peer review. The instructions are here. They're also under the section called syllabus and course materials, but I put them here for you again. There's also a video lecture which takes you through the reason, the rationale, why we're creating a newspaper policy scrapbook. And let me just show you some things. I've updated the website, your newspaper scrapbook, a little bit better for you. I think that will help you to understand more of what I'm looking for. So here we are looking at your Social Work 445 newspaper e-scrapbook. And hopefully you've created a web page in Blogger, which was what was requested. And that's the address for the blog's website. And then this is the format that everybody's going to use. And these are your 7 subsections: home, housing, children, elderly, jobs, healthcare, minorities. On the first page, as you can see, the first page changed because before I had put the instructions there for you. So maybe that was a little confusing. So now here's exactly what you need to have on your front page of your newspaper scrapbook. Just a little bit of information about you. Do not put any information that you feel is personal. You don't have to put your last name. Just put, an initial. That's fine. Because what I'm going to do is take a look at this later in the week, at the end of the week, and see how much you've gotten taken care of. So when we're on the home page, that's what you will see. That's the first thing that people should see when they come to your newspaper scrapbook. The second page, I've gone ahead and put in an article, an example for you. So I've included a photograph because we're talking about housing. And remember, you need to look for articles and images that reflect and deal with social welfare policy, and in this case, regarding housing. So you've got a photo, I've got the title of the article, I've got the author, the source, although this source is not cited correctly, but I know each of you know how to do that properly. And then a summary of your article, as well as including the social policy and concerns that this particular article is addressing. Okay, and that's what you do, and that's just one article on a page, and you can add another one underneath it. Okay, let's look at something I put for children. So once again, scouring the web, you have a title, an author, a source, and this is actually a messy way of doing it. Do not let yours look like this. Yours needs to look nice and neat. Title, author, source, summary, social policy, and concerns. Okay, so that was the children's one. Here's one on the elderly. Once again, you've got the title, the author, the source. You've got to, and just keep it brief, but enough information so that someone will clearly understand or get a better picture of the social welfare policy topic that you're talking about. Then also, let's say, I think I put one more where you could use a graph, and it's talking about, and this is a section for jobs. And so here's a graph regarding jobs, and of course you'd have your write-up directly underneath. So it's really that simple, and I hope that this clarifies things for you, for each and every one of you. And I look forward to grading and reading your scrapbooks. Oh, and don't forget, it's very important to make sure that you peer review each other's work. And that's usually at the bottom of each page, and it's called Add a Comment. Okay, so that's it for today. That's week 6 update, your newspaper e-scrapbook. Easy, very easy to do. And you'll have a whole week to do it. Thanks for watching. Bye.